Yesterday, I mentioned that some investors took profit off the table in traditional markets due to inflation data about to come out. It came out, and it turns out it's the highest in about 3 decades. So the key metric jumped to 6.1%, which is really high no matter how you look at it. Essentially, that's a function of cash being worth less, and or prices rising, and or production and supply chains being constrained by countries shutting down in the past 2 or 3 years. It all means the same essentially. But that type of shift definitely weighs on risk assets, and indeed you can see equity indexes go down. I'm always talking, of course, about the Dow, the S&P, the Nasdaq, but you'll see the impact across the globe during Asian and European trading hours. Now let's look at crypto. Long term, I actually think that inflation is supportive of Bitcoin, programmatically scarce and decentralized, but in the short term, investors don't think that way. When traders turn risk off, when markets go down, and when people have to maybe fund leveraged position in futures and options market, they tend to sell what's available and liquid, and that's crypto among other things. So right now, the broad crypto market has dropped about 4.4 or 5%. Bitcoin is currently down at 64,500, and then the rest of the crypto space followed. The only coins that I see in the green on my watch list, surprisingly, are Wu token and also Chainlink, and then the rest is deeply in the red with the worst performers, the graph, DYDX curve. So how do we play this? Well, first, I don't play, I hold. That's the only thing I do that's always worked out for me so far. But for traders though, it might be worth taking some risk off the table with the idea that the current worries will take, some days, even maybe weeks to play out. And for less dynamic investors, if you were hesitating to buy Bitcoin at 68K, you might find 64K or 55K more attractive levels, and the opportunity to get in that you initially missed is presenting itself right now. Otherwise, on the news and data front, the positive shift crypto has enjoyed so far isn't going away. Ethereum futures global interest topped $13 billion, which is just massive. BITO and BTF had their biggest volume in the past 2 weeks, maybe to sell, but still. And then just yesterday, there were talks of Twitter setting up a crypto team to explore a decentralized app. So we're not stopping. That's it for me today. I wish you a great day and a great trading day. If you haven't done so yet, please like, subscribe, share, comment. It helps with the visibility. Also means you'll be updated when new videos come out.